make Carnage say bye.
Make him say bye. Bye. Bye, Carnage. Bye. Bye.
Can you make Carnage yell?
Make him yell. Make him growl. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Don't throw him. Can you make him growl again? Growl at him, and then have him growl back. You can fly. Don't go out the window. Not out the window. Brayden, keep it in the car. Did you get him? Here, can I put his foot on? I'll give him back. No?
Mine.
But I got his Brayden!
Yeah.
I got a foot. Nope.
Mine.
How is it yours? Did you pay for it?
Mine.
Your turn?
Yeah.
For the foot? Look at the window.
He knows a butt.
You want me to put his foot back on?
Yeah.
We'll give him here. Oh.